Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Today, I'm going to discuss some mensuration chapter. Okay. See, actually, in SSC CGL, SSC CGL, in SSC CGL, we have arithmetic and pure maths. Pure maths means that is advanced maths. Advanced maths. Okay. Pure maths means advanced maths. See, in this, see in the present recent examinations, you're getting more questions on advanced maths only. See what comes which chapters comes under advanced maths? Which chapters comes under advanced maths? So mensuration, next algebra, number system, next trigonometry, mensuration, algebra, number system, trigonometry. Next, at the same time, geometry. Okay. Next, and statistics. You should concentrate all these chapters in advanced maths. Okay. In arithmetic, we have to cover percentage, profit and loss in arithmetic, simple interest, and compound interest. See, this comes under percentage track. Okay. If you observe, next, ratio and proportion. Next one, this is completely ratio track, ratio proportion. Next, averages, partnership, ages. This comes under ratio proportion track. Okay. These total 4 chapters based on ratios. Next, time and distance, problems on trains, boats and streams. This is completely time and distance track. Distance equal to time and speed. And the fourth one is time and work, pipes and cistern, and chain rule. These 3 chapters comes under time and work. Pipe rule, pipes and cistern, and chain rule. Okay. See, this comes under time and work. It's the majority of the questions. See, present coming from mensuration, algebra, number system, trigonometry, geometry, statistics. Next, they are concentrating on arithmetic also. Okay, advanced maths. Arithmetic. Next, time and distance, time and work, ratio proportion, averages, partnership, ages. You should concentrate all these areas. See, some majority of the questions are coming from mensuration, algebra, number system, trigonometry, geometry, statistics. And to get actually arithmetic or pure maths, first of all, simplifications are must and should. Simplifications are must and should. You should know the simplifications first. Okay, right? To learn advanced maths or arithmetic, simplifications are must and should. For simplifications, you should know tables, squares, next cubes. You should have all this knowledge. Tables, squares, cubes. So definitely you should have all this knowledge. Tables, squares, and cubes. And you should know how to calculate square root also. Square root. And you should know how to calculate cube root also. Cube root. Right? If you are familiar with all these basics, that means tables, squares, cubes, square roots, and cube roots, then it is very easy for mind. So suppose if you are good at mind calculations, then you can solve any sum in easy way, right? In easy way, right? That's why please concentrate on tables, squares, cubes, square roots, and cube roots also, right? Especially while solving any arithmetic problem or pure math problem, you should have strong knowledge on all these areas. Okay. For example, if you take squares, so basics. Okay. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. Right? Then 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square 900. First of all, you should very familiar with all these squares first. You should have every competitive student. If you are writing SSC CGL or CHSL or MTS or GD, any examination, definitely to learn mathematics or to write any competitive examination, definitely you should be very thorough with 1 to 30 squares. So no doubt about it. So ఖచ్చితంగా రావాల్సిందే. సో 1 to 30 స్క్వేర్స్ పక్కగా రావాలి. సో ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి 1 to 30 స్క్వేర్స్ రావాల్సిందే. ఓకే, 1 to 30 స్క్వేర్స్ పక్కా. ఓకే, 1 to 30 squares. Then after that, for more than 25 So more than 25 squares, what we have to do, sir? If more than 25 squares, what we have to do? If more than 25 squares are there, what we have to do? 25 squares. If the squares are more than, if the squares ranges from 25 to 50 or 50 to 75, what we have to do? Okay. If the squares ranges from 25 to 50 and 50 to 75, take base as 50. For example, to solve 46 whole square, how to solve this 46 whole square? So generally we will solve how to solve 46 whole square, 46 into 46, right? 6 are how much? 36. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 into, like that you will solve generally. 4 6 are how much? 24. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. You'll get 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. Again 11 and 2. 2 1 1 6, like that you'll get. But to solve 46 whole square in easy way, for 50 it is 4 less na. For 50 4 less 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 25 to 50, what is the technique we have to follow? For 25 to 50 squares, we have to follow the technique. 25 minus difference, we have to follow the technique. 46 is for 50, 46 it is 4 less, 4 square is 16. Then here you have to follow 25 minus difference. 25 minus 4 is what? 21. This is 2116. Very simple. For example, 43 whole square is there for 50. How much less? 7 less is there. 7 less is there. 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. 25 minus 7 is 18. Answer is 1849. 42 whole square. For 50 it is 8 less. For 50 it is 8 less. 8 square is 64. 25 minus 8 is 17. 1764. 41 whole square. For 50 it is 9 less. 59 less. 9 square is 81. 25 minus 9. It is 16. Answer 1681. Right? For example, if you take 54 whole square, for 50, how much more? 4 more. 4 square is how much? 16. Here we have to follow the technique 25 plus difference. 25 plus difference. 25 plus 4 is 29. 2916. For example, if you take 56 whole square, what we have to do, sir? 56 whole square, what we have to do? Then 59 whole square. For 50, how much more? 9 more. 9 square is 81. 25 plus 9 is 34. Answer 3481. Right? 64 whole square. For 50, how much more? 14 more. 50, how much more? 14 more. 14 square is 196. 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 plus already one carry is there. Answer 40. 4096. Right? For example, 66 whole square is given. For 50, 16 more. 50, 16 more. 16 square is 256. 2 carry and 5 6 result. 2 carry and 5 6 result. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 plus 2 is 43. Answer 4356. Answer 4356. Right? For example, if the squares are ranges from 75 to 100 and square ranges from 75 to 100 and 101 to 125, what we have to do? You can ask the doubts also. Right? If the square ranges from 75 to 100. From 75 to 100, you take, for example, 94 whole square is there. For 50, it is 6 less. So you take 100 as base for 94 whole square. For 100, it is 6 less. 6 square is 36. 94 minus 6 is 88. Answer 8836. Okay. Then suppose if you take 96 whole square. For 100, it is 4 less. 4 square is 16. 96 minus 4 is 92. 9216. Okay. For example, 92 whole square is given. For 100, it is 8 less. 8 square is 64. 92 minus 8 is 84. 8464. For example, if you take 104 whole square. For 100, it is 4 more. 4 square is 16. 104 plus 4 is 108. 10816. 106 whole square is given. For 100, it is 6 more. 6 square is 36. 106 plus 6 is 112. 11236. 108 whole square. For 100, how much more? 8 more. 8 square is 64. 108 plus 8 is 116. 11664. Right? 112 whole square. For 100, how much more? 12 more. 12 square is 144. 1 carry and 4 result. Because square means 2-digit number, you should get 112 plus 12 is 124. 124 plus 1 is 125. For example, 123 whole square is given. For 123 more. 23 whole square is 529. 123 plus 23 is 146. 146 plus 5 is 151. 15129. Next. These are the squares from 75 to 100 and 101 to 125. Right? See, if the squares are more than 125, what we have to do, sir? For example, 174 whole square is given. Let us take A is equal to 17 and B is equal to 4. A is equal to 17, B is equal to 4. What is A plus B whole square formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then, what is A value here? 17 square is 289. What is B square? 4 square is 16. A square, B square next to 2AB. 2AB. 2 into 17 into 4. 2 17s are 34 into 4. 4 30 times 120. 4 4s are 16. Answer 136. 6 7 9 plus 3 12. 9 10 and 30276. 30276. Okay. Right. And B value is 4. Okay. A square. 18 square is 324. B square is 16. A square, B square. Then you have to calculate 2AB value. This is 2 into 18 into 4. 2 18s are 36. 36 into 4. 36 2 times 72. 36 4 times is 144. This is 65833. 33856. In this way, you can calculate 184 whole square. Right? For example, so very clearly I told, if the squares ranges from 25 to 50 or 50 to 75, take base as 50. To calculate 46 whole square, for 50 it is 4 less. 4 square is 16. Below 50 squares, you have to apply this technique. 25 minus difference, you have to apply. 25 minus 4 is 21. 2116. Okay, suppose to calculate 43 whole square. For 50 it is 7 less. 7 square is 49. 25 minus 7 is 18. 1849. 42 whole square. For 50 it is 8 less. 8 square is 64. 25 minus 8 is 17. 1764. 41 whole square. For 50 it is 9 less. 9 square is 81. 25 minus 9 is 16. 1681. To calculate 54 whole square, 54 more. 4 square is 16. 25 plus 4 is 29. 2916. 56 whole square. For 56 more, 6 square is 36. 25 plus 6 is 31. 58 whole square. For 58 more, 8 square is 64. 25 plus 8 is 33. 3364. 3364. Okay. To calculate 59 whole square, to calculate 59 whole square, to calculate 59 whole square, for 50 how much more? 9 more. 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. And for 59 more na, already what is the technique I told? 25 plus difference I told. 25 plus 9 is 34. 3481. 64 whole square. For 50 how much more? 14 more. 14 square is 196. 1 carry 96 result. Okay, 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 plus 1 is 40. Answer 4096. Answer 4096. Right? Answer 4096. Sixty-four whole square. Sixty-four whole square. For 50, how much more? 14 more. 14 square is 196. 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 plus 1 is answer 40. 4096. Okay. 68 whole square. For 60, how much more? 18 more. 18 square is 324. 20 plus 5 plus 18 is okay. 43. 43 plus 3. 46. Answer 4624. 4624. Right? To calculate from 25 to 50 squares, take the base number as 50. From 50 to 75 squares, take the base number as 50. Below 50, you have to use the technique 25 minus difference. Above 50, you have to use 25 plus difference. Right? To calculate from 75 to 100 squares, take 100 as base. Take 100 as base. Then, for example, 104 whole square is there. So don't worry, I'll explain very clearly in slow manner. So don't worry. For example, so you learn the squares. Again, I'm repeating, don't worry. If the squares ranges from 25 to 50, take the base number 50. The squares ranges from 50 to 75 also. So base number 50 గా తీసుకోండి. 46 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి అని అంటే ఇది 50కి దగ్గరలో ఉంది కాబట్టి 50కి ఎంత తక్కువ చూసుకోండి. 50కి ఎంత తక్కువ? 4 తక్కువ. 4 స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 16. 50 లోపు ఉండే స్క్వేర్స్ కి ఏం చేయాలి? 25 మైనస్ డిఫరెన్స్ చేయాలి. 25 మైనస్ 4 ఎంత? 21. 2116 అవుతుంది. 43 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 50కి ఎంత తక్కువ సార్? 7 తక్కువ. 7 స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 49. 25 లో 7 తీసేస్తే ఎంత? 18. ఆన్సర్ 1849. 42 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి ఎంత తక్కువ? 8. 8 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 64. 25 లో 8 తీసేస్తే 17. ఓకేనా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 41 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి ఎంత తక్కువ? 9. 9 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 81. 25 లో 9 తీసేస్తే 16. ఆన్సర్ 1681. 1681. 54 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 50కి ఎంత ఎక్కువ సార్? 4. 4 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 16. 25 ప్లస్ 4 ఏమో 29. 2916. 58 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి 8 ఎక్కువ. 8 స్క్వేర్ 64. ఇక్కడ టెక్నిక్ ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? 50 నుంచి 75 వరకు 25 ప్లస్ డిఫరెన్స్ అప్లై చేయాలని చెప్పాను. 25 ప్లస్ 8 ఎంత అంటే 33. ఆన్సర్ 3364. 59 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి ఎంత ఎక్కువ? 9. 9 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 81. 25 ప్లస్ 9 ఏమో 34. 3481. 64 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి ఎంత ఎక్కువ? 14. 14 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 196. 1 క్యారీ అండ్ 96 రిజల్ట్. ఓకే, 1 క్యారీ అండ్ 96 రిజల్ట్. 25 ప్లస్ 14 ఎంత? 39. 39 ప్లస్ 1 40. ఆన్సర్ 4096. ఓకే, 64 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 50కి ఎంత ఎక్కువ సార్? 14. 14 స్క్వేర్ 196. 1 క్యారీ అండ్ 96 రిజల్ట్. 1 క్యారీ అండ్ 96 రిజల్ట్. 25 ప్లస్ 14 ఎంత? 39. 39 ప్లస్ 1 40. ఆన్సర్ 4096. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 50కి ఎంత ఎక్కువ సార్? 18 ఎక్కువ. 18 స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 324. 3 క్యారీ అండ్ 24 రిజల్ట్. 25 ప్లస్ 18 ఎంత? 25 ప్లస్ 18. It is 43. 43 plus already 3 carry is there. 46. 4624. Okay. For example, if the square ranges from 75 to 100 and 101 to 125, take base as 100. ఇప్పుడు 100 ని బేస్ గా తీసుకోండి. 94 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి అంటే 100 కి ఎంత తక్కువ ఉందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 6 తక్కువ ఉంది. 6 స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 36. 94 లో 6 తీసేస్తే 88. ఆన్సర్ 8836. 96 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 100 కి ఎంత తక్కువ? 4. 4 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 16. 96 లోంచి 4 తీసేస్తే 92. 9216. ఇప్పుడు 92 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. 100 కి ఎంత తక్కువ? 8. 8 స్క్వేర్ ఏమో 64. 92 లో 8 తీసేస్తే 84. 8464. ఓకే, సో వెరీ సింపుల్ సార్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 98 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. ఫర్ 100 it is 2 less. 2 square is 4. It is 04. The 98 minus 2 is 96. Answer 9604. Okay. Then